Today everybody, I'm going to teach you how to make a cow with clay, or you can use playdough or squishy stuff. So first, you roll it up like this, how big you want it to be. I prefer it to be maybe this small, like a bit bigger than your nose.
Not too long.
Yeah, not too long. So then you get the head. Oh wait, that's too much for the head. Okay, then back to normal. I'll do a little bit for the head, like this much. You go like this, and you make the head round. And make sure your neck is not too skinny, because otherwise it will fall off. It will fall off. It will fall off. Like maybe this thick, and don't forget to do this with your fingers to make it like good. And like smoothing it out with your thumb, like this. Make sure your head's good. Okay. It looks like a person right now, but it's not going to be a person. It's going to be a cow that's eating grass. Yum 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 yum. Now you do the snout. Like it's gonna go like that. So you do it like this. You do it like this. It's a bit like a dog, but it's not going to be a dog. Remember, it's going to be a cow. Now you do the ears. To do the ears, you have to pinch here, pinch out, here like that. But make sure it's not too long. Make sure like that. This is good. And then the other ear, you do the same thing. Oh wait, that was too low. And don't forget to make it look the same as the other ear. Like, move, does this look like a cow? For me it does. Just move this one out. There you go. Now, I nearly forgot to do the horns on its head. So for the horns, you also do the same strategy as the ears, but you do it like a point. Like point, like that. And then you do it on the other side, point, like that. Moo. Now you have to do the legs. Make sure your legs are not too thin, because they'll break, remember, like the neck. So maybe this thick, you see, this thick, that's thick. That's for the first leg. Now the second leg. And don't forget, you need to try make it like you can like it can stand. So if you want to play with it or make it like a statue, you have to make it like stand so it can like it's already standing. So we need the other two legs at the back. That's the first one. That's the second one. Wait, make sure they're the same length. Don't forget, if they are not the same length, they won't like stand with each other like this. So this one needs to be a bit taller than like that. Now, our last thing to do, the tail. It's just like the horns, just make it just like the horns, but a bit thicker, like that. Alright, and since I'm from Cambodia, and Cambodian cows has humps, I'm gonna do like a hump too. But if you're not from Cambodia, you don't need to do a hump. Ta-da! This is my finished result. Ta-da! Ta-da! Move. Move. Do. Thank you for watching.